Roto-Rooter's pipeline video inspection service provides an accurate assessment of sewer and drain pipe conditions. When frequent sewer backups occur, a technician may recommend a video inspection to identify the underlying cause. A Roto-Rooter specialist inserts a waterproof LED-equipped camera into the pipeline through a cleanout or other access point. The equipment delivers real-time video showing blockages, corrosion, cracks, and other structural issues. The camera transmits a signal that is received by a locator on the surface, allowing us to pinpoint the exact location of the problem areas if repairs are necessary. This technology eliminates guesswork and ensures that repairs are targeted and efficient. It can also assist in locating lost items, such as jewelry or missing pets. Video inspections are valuable for homeowners and buyers during real estate transactions, helping prevent unexpected repair costs. Inspection recordings can be saved to the cloud or a USB drive and shared with the customer. For more information about pipeline video inspections, consult your service technician or visit rotorooter.com.